What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to hit TI Dyno again here in Saybrook, Ohio. Seems like this is my favorite place to hang out. But anyways, before we get started, make sure you hit that like, subscribe, hit that bell for notification. I'm always doing Fox Body content stuff. We're gonna take old Project Hot Wheels back to the dyno. We changed a couple things wiring wise. I wanna see if it's making making good power on the weather corrected feature, because I think he had that fixed this past week. And I'm super excited to make sure everything's running good, and make sure you guys check out my videos of me hitting the track with this thing. Stock block can still make power, so let's get into it. All right, so a lot of you guys have been following this build. This is Project Hot Wheels, and it's a 1988 Ford Mustang. All I did was rebuild the block, intake to pan, no porting, no cheating. No stroker, no cam. All I did was put head studs and valve springs on to support the mods of making power with the turbo. And of course, the turbo is, got injectors and a pump. You got to change the MAF, of course. And of course, there's the chip, So there's a custom tune, but I mean, this is real world stuff. So what we have done in like the last week or so is the mass air harness that was converted in this car was junk. Wasn't even showing right bank, O2, VSS. It wasn't showing a lot of stuff. And that sucked because we had to turn them functions off in the tune, and I didn't want to do any of that shit. I want this car to run, primo. So now it does. All right, so we're back here at TI Dyno with my man Kevin Cragen. Thanks for showing up and giving me some time at the end of the day. Anyways, he's always busting my chops. I'm supposed to feed him, but he never told me what he wanted for dinner. Food. He said food, right? So anyways.
You know what I like? You know what fat guys like?
Oh, you're not fat. Anyways, for all you guys that's been following, again, this is an 88 Ford Mustang stock block, intake to pan. We're here at the dyno because we got the weather correction hooked up, and we changed a little bit on the tune, or not the tune, but the wiring harness. So we're here to make sure everything's good and kosher at the top at 5,500 or so RPM, and we are going to make a couple pulls, change some things if we need it, and be happy with the way it sits, and that should be it for her. We're gonna go try to make a 1099 pass tomorrow night, and I swear I'm gonna stop beating the shit out of this car. But it's so fun. Know what I mean?
Yeah, it's fun.
He's hangry right now. You hangry? Dodge the wrench and dodge the ball.
Brought me some food.
All right, stay tuned. Spinning tire. Woo. 442, 473. What you think? Looks pretty good.
Somebody turned the boost up.
Oh, what's it at?
13.
It was at 12.7. Maybe I had an extra click. 14 pounds. That's what it spiked at. Let me see the graph. It always spikes. What did it level out at, Kevin? Right at 14. That's where I want to be. Good enough, mad scientist. Easy. All right, so we made our 3 hits. We did a little bit of correcting. We went up to about 14 pounds, which is, I ain't gonna go any further. I'm pretty happy with that number. As you see here, you know, 458, 515 is kind of ridiculous for a stock block. And this is a Mustang dyno. And the weather correction is 85 degrees. It is 52% humidity, no cheating. Weather correction factor, no cheating. Loaded 3,000 pound dyno. Well, you can see that right here on the, yeah, 3,000 pounds is pretty much what we tune these things at, Fox bodies, because that's about what they weigh-ish. Well, either way, you know, a couple hundred pounds is not gonna make that big of a difference, probably, if any at all. So if you guys see me back here in the wing, I was trying to hold the damn thing down. We made a clutch adjustment. She makes power, fellas. I don't know how she holds like that, but she does. And they said it ain't so. Well, that's where it's at. So, anyways, if you guys enjoyed my content, make sure you hit that thumbs up, like, and subscribe again. I always appreciate you guys. You know I'm bringing the real shit to you. So, say bye, Kevin. Until next time. Deuces. So there we have it. Drove it to the dyno, drove it home. Made 458 wheel power with 515 pounds of torque. The only difference between this tune and the last couple tunes, we actually fixed some of the wiring issues that we were having. Plus we got the new weather corrected stuff set up. Dyno's reading appropriately now. Tell you what, man, stock block 458, 515, why even put GT40 shit on anymore, you know? I always wanted to do this type of a build, and I appreciate you guys following along, so super happy. Maybe we'll hit the track tomorrow.